What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get a GTO engineering Squalo that is a Ferrari 250 SWB recreation. Now, Berkshire-based Ferrari specialist GTO Engineering revealed its latest project last year, a new built sports car in the mold of Ferrari's iconic 250 SWB. And while it's becoming more and more common to see this type of reimagined classic, few companies have as much experience in the restoration of Ferraris as GTO Engineering. Now, though first deliveries aren't due until 2023, the firm has now unveiled its final design alongside an official name. Now, following the latest development update in February, GTO Engineering has now left behind the murder in the code name for Squalo, and that's Italian for shark. Now, new renderings have also given us a better look at what the final exterior design, with elements such as the door handles, wing mirrors, and bespoke 18-inch wheels tweaked, will look like. Now, details on the output and target weight will be revealed next month, but GTO Engineering has also been working on refining the quad cam V12, bringing it up to production specification. And since February, it has fiddled with the design in order to reduce weight, while improving aesthetics by removing the carburetor surrounds for an Now, instead of being derived from the original, a very valuable original chassis, each Squalo will instead feature a hybrid chassis comprising a tubular steel design comprising of a tubular steel passenger cell with aluminum subframes to hold the powertrain and suspension at either end. Now, unlike the 250 SWB of the 1960s, the subframe will support the modern independent suspension as well as bigger brakes, wheels, and tires. Now, the body will be of carbon fiber, which will not only act as structural parts of the chassis, but will also translate the soft curves and expertly formed surfacing in a medium that's very different from the original sheet aluminum. Now, the doors and bonnet will keep their aluminum construction, though a decision has been made to retain the same feel as the original. And while the body is modern by construction, the car's quad cam V12 will find itself more closely aligned to the engine found in the original 250 SWB, and the unit of the GTO's own development and built to specification of the iconic combo V12 used by Ferraris between 1947 and 1988. Now, while it doesn't feature any old Ferrari parts, this new engine has been developed with GTO's engineering extensive experience in rebuilding and tuning originals. And no specific outputs have yet been revealed, but with GTO's ability to build a remanufactured Colombo V12 between the early road car specifications and full bore competition spec, it will be the customer's choice whether the engine in the car will be biased for trackable road use or ultimate performance. And GTO Engineering has announced that it will target the sub 1,000 kilogram weight figure for its car, which is on par with the original circa 950 kilogram curb weight. Now, while the overall design will find a majority of its basis in the original 250 SWB, the Squalo will feature a few nods to contemporary design, including new lighting, new exhaust outlets, and subtle updates to the grille shape and detailing. Now, order books are now officially open, but availability and pricing are not yet determined. And still, as with many reimagined classics at this level, compared to the original, it could be considered a bargain, and first deliveries will be taking place in 2023. So with that said, what do you guys think about the Squalo and its 250 SWB design language? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy this video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we could talk about this Ferrari 250 SWB recreation, GTO Engineering's Squalo. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, make sure you check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also help support by checking out the Ron's Rise merch, getting t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, everything Ron's Rise. Now, I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise news video. Peace.